Konnichiwa, minasan. As a beginner, I know that you are having a difficulty to memorize some Japanese vocabulary words. In this video, I will teach you an effective way to remember the Japanese words easily using the W.R.A.P method. Let's get started.
First letter in W.R.A.P method is the W, which means write. You have to write down the Japanese words that you have learned on a piece of paper. List down the Japanese words you have learned in this way. It will be easy for your brain to remember the words when you write them down. Our hands are connected to our brain, so writing can help your memory, and you can always review the vocabulary words anytime. The letter G from the W.R.A.P method stands for repeat. Repeating something helps you to remember it. Repetition is a powerful tool for memory retention. Here's how you can make the most of it. Repeating something helps you remember. Space it out. Aim for 4 sleeps between each review. Repeat daily. Consistency is key. Repeating information every day reinforces it better than cramming it all in one go. While following these steps, you'll find it easier to retain and recall information. Remember, repetition is your friend. One effective memory technique is association. Link new information to things you already know. Here's how: associate it. Link the new information to familiar sounds, meanings, or people. Make it funny or strange to make it memorable. By creating these associations, you'll find it easier to remember and recall information. Link the new information to familiar sounds, meanings, or people. For example, the Japanese word for hat is bushi. This word sounds similar to bossy. By associating bushi with bossy, you create a mental link that helps you remember the word more easily. The brain tends to remember unusual or humorous associations better. By making your connections funny or strange, you enhance your ability to recall the information later. The last letter in the W.R.A.P method is P, which stands for picture it. When learning something new, create a vivid image in your mind. Use your imagination to make the image, near crafting a detailed and engaging story. For example, if you're learning the Japanese word for hat, which is bushi, imagine a bossy person wearing a hat. Picture the hat in bright colors, with unique patterns, and the bossy turned dramatically. The more unusual and vivid the image, the easier it will be to remember. Using your imagination helps solidify the information in your memory, making it easier to recall later. The brain loves stories and images, so leveraging this natural ability can significantly boost your low. By following the W.R.A.P method, write it down, repeat it, associate it, and picture it. You'll enhance your learning and retention, making it easier to recall information needed. Good luck to your Nihongo learning journey. Arigato gozaimasu.